The multivitamin world on the internet stands divided. Some say they're bad for you, some say they're good, and some say they're as good as consuming nothing. While Morpheus gave Neo the option of choosing between the red and the blue pill, you must choose from hundreds of multivitamins. So choose wisely. Wondering what to do? Let's understand what multivitamins actually are first. They are dietary supplements of minerals, nutrients, and vitamins deficient in your body. Because let's face it, we all need a helping hand sometimes. We say, think of vitamins and minerals in comparison with proteins when it comes to the machinery of your body. For a machine to function smoothly, both macro and micro, that is big and small processes, have to play their respective parts. Proteins cover the macro department by repairing your tissue and muscles from damage, wear, and tear. Vitamins and minerals, on the other hand, polish the lesser known micro department. These unsung heroes help nail and hair growth, keep your bones strong, reduce fatigue, and manage anxiety and stress. They assist enzyme reactions that regulate structural processes in your body. And yet, statistics say that 70 to 90% of all Indians struggle with a vitamin and nutrients deficiency. Multivitamin supplements are responsible for providing that extra kick of nutrients that, due to multiple reasons, cannot be absorbed through your diet. And what's more, they can be easily popped when you're on the move. And boom, that's how the buzz around multivitamins began. Just like Geet and Jab We Met said, आप convince हो गए कि मैं और बोलूं? So which multivitamin should you be on the lookout for when you buy your bottle? The multivitamin that you opt for should ideally have vitamin C because it ensures a stronger immune system and maintains bone, cartilage, and tooth health. Vitamin B3 because it improves skin, reduces joint pain, and helps prevent heart diseases. Calcium and magnesium. Calcium and magnesium help in maintaining bone health and is extremely crucial. Folic acid because it keeps iron deficiency or anemia at bay and improves sperm count. Zinc because it facilitates steady testosterone levels, supports protein production, and heals wounds. So what's the final verdict? Multivitamins do work, but make sure that they meet the FSSAI standards and are from a reputable source before purchase. That's the least you can do for your health, right? Another word of caution. Multivitamins are not magic pills that solve all your problems just upon consuming them. Supplement your supplements with a balanced diet and regular exercise, even if it's for just 15 to 20 minutes daily. If you live a busy life, or are vegan, or just looking to lead a holistic lifestyle, multivitamins are for you. Revital really had the right idea when they said, Jio Ji Bhar ke.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Man Matters to get expert advice on your health and wellness.